5 things that suck about Amazon FBA that no one is telling you. Number 1 is the learning curve. This business does require a learning curve. You do have to learn the ins and outs of the business. You have to learn how the business works. You have to learn some key components of the business like product research, how to find the right products, and so on and so forth. And that's why it's essential to make sure that you do your due diligence and make sure that you prepare properly before starting this business. That's why it's essential, in my personal opinion, to do this with an expert or to even have an expert do this for yourself. Because the reason why so many people are intrigued to start an Amazon business is because it can be very lucrative. But it can also be detrimental to your finances and your self-esteem if you try to rush this and you start improperly with lack of education, lack of tools and resources, and a lack of fundamentals. So I would rather you start off the right way and do this the right way. That way you can get good results. Number 2 is cash flow. A lot of people say, Josh, how can you get started at Amazon with no money? And there are a few different creative ways that you can through financing and partnerships and so on and so forth. But outside of those tips that we talk about in other videos, you do need access to some working capital, whether it's a credit card line or it's actual liquidity. This is a real business selling real physical products, so it does require some real actual assets in order for you to get started. So I personally like this business because the more research you do, the more studying you do, the more investment that you can put into it, the more you can grow this business. Number 3 is going to be product research, and this is one of the most important aspects of the entire business. I've had the pleasure to work with thousands upon thousands of people across the globe, and I can tell you with full transparency, the reason why people do not become successful with this business is because they cannot find the right product, or they take too long to find the right product, or they start to get upset, they start to get frustrated, they start to have anxiety, and they lower their standards for a product and they launch the wrong product. If you do not have the right education, if you don't have the right fundamentals in place, and you cannot get the right questions answered, it's very difficult to launch a product on your own because there's millions of products out there, and one mistake could cost you your account or could cost you your hard-earned money. Number 4 is learning PPC. Now, this is about pretty much the only technical aspect that you're gonna need with this business. And Amazon is constantly rolling out new features that make the PPC more robust. There's tons of resources out there, and there's tons of softwares as well as services that actually manage PPC for other people. Our team of Amazon experts actually manage your PPC for you. That's finding the keywords, creating the campaigns, optimizing it, and monthly giving you updates on your business as well as the progress. We utilize PPC for you to get your ranking in the beginning when you're starting out and for you to scale as well. So it is definitely an important part of the business. Last but not least, number 5 is gonna be scaling. So many people get stuck when it comes time to scaling. They may find a product, their product may be doing well, and then they find themselves with the riddling question, what next? What do I do next? How do I grow the business? What should I do next? Can I grow this product more? Do I get a new product? These are several questions that may be racing through your head, and that can be very frustrating. But essentially, if you have a brand, you wanna go ahead and launch another product that will actually go into your catalog that will complement your other product. That way you can scale your business. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't yet, smash that subscription button, and next to that, hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every single week when we drop new videos. And by the way, if you're interested in working personally with me and my team, or making an investment in an Amazon business built, ran, and managed by our team, head over to AMZ Together right now, and I'll see you guys on the other side.